I'll make this real short and sweet. Creationists have one argument that's their main point whenever they try to argue evolution, abiogenesis, Big Bang cosmology, etc., etc. Their argument is that complex things don't pop into existence all by themselves, and that you can't get something out of nothing. Let's, for the sake of argument, overlook the fact that this is a straw man argument in the first place, and let's actually try taking it at face value. Now, the argument here is, just to underline it, that the universe, and especially, of course, life itself, is way too complex to have evolved by itself. The conclusion creationists reach is that there must be a designer, in other words, a god, involved. Now, why they only believe it can be one god and not several must remain for the time being a mystery, but anyway, this designer put together the universe and all that's in it and created life. Now, the logical question at this point for any scientist, of course, is then where then did the designer come from? And creationists try to get around this by using the non-argument that he was always there. For some reason, there's always a he. But wait a minute, that doesn't make sense. The argument used by creationists against the Big Bang is that without time there could be no time. In other words, the state of the universe could not change from a singularity to the current space-time continuum unless time already existed, which would preclude the singularity, and so on ad nauseam. So, in order to create the universe, God would have to be outside of space-time because he created space-time and is himself infinite and eternal. But that's impossible because the argument we use to get to this conclusion in the first place is that you can't get something out of nothing. So at this point, the entire creationist argument starts to fall apart. You can't get something out of nothing, and complex systems do not pop into existence by themselves, yet the other side of this equation is supposedly that a complex being somehow existed without a cause and created the universe out of nothing? That has to be the most self-defeating argument in the world.